Today's video is going to be on desoldering an LED on a board, and we're going to replace it with another little LED light. And once again, we're just using the solder sucker. Heat up the back of it. Note where your connection points are, whether they're positive or negative. Right now I'm just removing the positive terminals. Heating it up first. These things are pretty handy. Okay. So I got that part taken off there. I'm going to remove the power. Still on there a little, so I'm just going to heat it up. Should pull right off. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so on the other side I have my little white LED light, which is what I want to remove. And I'll try to wiggle it out of place. There we go. Okay. My new one seems to have misplaced. Okay, where did it go? Remember where you put stuff. Oh, it fell on the floor. Okay. Alright, so alright, here we go. We're gonna this little light here is also keyed. It has like a little key notch right here. See, it's angled off. So the same thing on the board. Angled off on this corner right there. So we want to make sure that matches. And we go to insert it. We'll just put it in there. Flip it back over, and we're going to solder on our connections again. I'm going to grab a little bit of solder I already have out. I'm going to prep my tip like I normally do here. Prepping tip, clean it off again. Prep it one more time, and I like doing it about twice. Clean it off, and now we can go ahead and solder on. So I'm going to prep it one more time there, hold it down, and let it heat up, let it suck it on. Same thing again, hold it down. See how quick that goes, and we'll do it here again. Alright, so I made a note of how the power was, and the power was jumped to these two. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to I'll heat this up and solder all points first. And same thing here, jump it over. And I'm going to prep my wire, put a little bit of solder on that. Prep my tip again, and I'm just going to hold it down on the board if I can get the right angle here. There we go. And just a quick connection. There we go. That's it. Okay. Connection point should be good.